Hi everyone, my name is Isaias Hernandez. I'm an environmental educator and the content creator on Queer Brown Vegan. Overconsumption upholds unsustainable futures, and I think it's a really cultural phenomenon that's happening right now in which individuals are highly interested in watching individuals open packages or use products. I think some of that comes from the fact that many people aren't able to afford these products or do not want to be engaging in that type of material but enjoy it. And I think influencers that specifically focus on these Shein hauls, I think a lot of them need to start asking themselves, what is driving you to have so many multiple outfits different days when we only live 365 days a year? I don't think anyone that I know wears a different outfit every day for the rest of the year. I think we need to start to ask ourselves, why is there so much shame in normalizing to rewear clothes or to buy used clothing? And why is it that we're wearing this clothes that is not only harmful and toxic to our bodies, but it's also unsustainable to the women and children that are making these clothes in the global south? As someone who's had the privilege to go to these countries and work with certain fashion brands, you start to realize that these sustainable fashion brands are against these fashion giants, and these fashion giants really lean on these young influencers that probably were not ever given stuff growing up. And so there's this idealization and romanticization that if you're given more products, you're seen as more desirable in this society in terms of actually in demand for work, in demand for opportunities. But I think that needs to change, and we need to really operate from not scarcity, but through abundance. And I think a lot of individuals feel that if they're not doing these types of viral videos, then their own platforms are not going to be sustainable. And I think that's untrue. People will actually follow you for who you are, not for what you're promoting. So I do think that culture needs to change.